So, sabi isang buong ganito eh. So, I was like, yes, sister, let's work this. Ah! I'm gonna die! Ooh! Para akong nasa Zagu! May iba yung electric fan. So what is up guys, it's Scarlett here, and in this video, as you may have read on the title, I'm going to color my hair because you know, I'm a graduate, I'm a senior high school graduate, yes! Kakagraduate ko lang kahapon, and this is the first thing na for like 6 years sa school ko, hindi kami pwedeng magpakulay ng buhok, so this is the opportunity and I am already taking it. So, I'm very sorry kung kababalik ko lang. Katatapos lang ng school year. Sabi ko nga, di ba, graduate lang akong kahapon. I'm very busy person. I'm very serious in my studies. Hindi lang halata, pero seryoso ako mag-aral. Anyways, ayun nga guys. So, ayun, kababalik ko lang. And this is the very first video na gusto kong gawin this summer. I'm that kind of bitch. I made a poll sa Twitter and pinavote ko kayo kung alin dun yung gusto nyong makita na hair color. Kasi 4 yung choices ko. I have pink, peach, cool gray, or dark blue. Yun yung 4 na choices ko. And nanalo doon is si pink. So yun yung gagawin ko. And ayun. So if you want to know how to color your hair from black to pink, I'm the bitch to teach you. Because you know, I've done my research and I have seen a lot of videos, I have read a lot of vlogs, and I think I'm gonna do this successfully. I just hope for the best, okay? Trust and believe in God, you know. Kaya ko to. So if you want to know how to color your hair, just keep on watching. Yes! YouTuber! Ah! Nakakailita ako. I'm so sorry. I'm just really excited talaga for today. Kasi, di ba nga, ngayon ko na ito magagawa. If I did my math correctly, ginastos ko lang rito is nasa 500 to 800. In comparison dun pag nagpasalon ka, like umaabot sila ng 3,000. Dati nagpakulay ako ng gray. And then, hindi pa maganda yung yung pagkakulay. So I'm like, bitch, why is it turning green? And then, ang pangit. Like, why? Basta, like, in just 3 days, nag-fade na siya kagad. Like, wala na kagad yung gray. Naging green na lang siya. I know, kailangan ko ng purple shampoo and shit. Pero, bahala na. Basta, long story short, ayoko na doon. I wasted 3,000 pesos. And, ayoko na ng ganun. I just really want cotton candy pink hair right now. Yun lang talagang gusto ko today. And that is my goal. Just so you know, it is 4 o'clock. If dumilim na, it means gabi na. Obviously. Best in science! So, what will you need? This is the hair color. Okay, this is just temporary kasi gusto ko lang in every 1 or 2 months, gusto ko iba-iba yung buhok ko lagi. So, for this month, we got pink bitch. This is just 200 pesos and the reason kung bakit kinuha ko lang yung mumurahin, yung pinakamura and yung mini pack, kasi konti lang ang kailangan ko and I just need this really pastel pink, and then sabi nila na damihan ng conditioner and kontian lang to. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So this is just 200 pesos. Nabili ko to sa Unicube. Kung di ka nakatira malapit sa Taft, sa Lasal, which is nandun malapit sa Unicube. Meron nito sa Shopee, which I will link down below. Yes, YouTuber! Yes! Junina Vela, I'm coming for you. Charot. And then next up naman is ito. Meron din ng Arctic Fox na white para ma-dilute to, para mag-lighten. Pero sabi nila, pwede rin naman daw conditioner. And sabi nila kahit anong conditioner daw. Dun sa lahat ng videos and vlogs na napanood ko and nabasa ko. Most of them use TRESemmè. And this is just 130 pesos. Okay, so that's 330 na. Konti pa, di ba? Wala pang 500. And then next up naman. So how am I going to achieve that kind of color? Black to. We need to bleach our hair, okay? I watched a video, this specific video, and I just want to give you a shout out because you saved my life. You saved my hair life. Tinuro niya kung paano mag-bleach. Kasi ang goal kasi niya is this ash blonde, parang ganun. But I was like, I just need to lighten my hair. I just need this to turn into this pale yellow, ganon. So, ayun nga. And sabi ko, shit, yun lang pala yun. Pinakita niya lahat, step-by-step procedure. Yun, go take a sneak peek for an in-depth tutorial kung paano makuha yung bleached hair. Sa tutorial niya, she used a Monea Highlights Pro and Oxidizing Solution. Okay, one of these is 25 pesos. O, diba? Tapos ito, 40 pesos. Okay, so ito, maabot ka lang nito kasi kailangan natin into a level 10. Yes, I've done my research. I need a level 10. Maaabot lang nito is level 6 or 7 or 8, parang ganon. So, I need to bleach it 2 times. Which is gano'n din yung ginawa sa akin dati. So, I'm very confident na kailangan ko siyang gawin 2 times. I just hope na it doesn't burn my face or my hair or any part of my body at this point. So, ipaghalo lang natin to, 1 part nito, 1 part nito. So, sabi niya sa video, kailangan daw 120 ml. Pero sabi dito, 60 to 90 ml. I'm gonna try this. Susundan ko muna tong mixing direction nila and then developing. Yun ang gagawin ko dito. 25 plus 40, that's 65. Plus 330 to nasa... Basta nasa 450, ganon. And then yung other items ko dito, which is this one, para naman hindi rin ma-bleach yung kamay ko. And this is surgical gloves, because this is like surgery, bitch. We need to be safe. Okay, so this is surgical gloves, and this is just 25 pesos, which you can buy in any local hardware store. And last but not least, this Ay! What the fuck did just fall out of there? Ew! So this is saline wrap. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yun, pero basta meron yan sa bahay. And then I also took 2 bowls. One for the color and one for the bleach. Yes. So, ayun nga po guys, ayun na lahat ng kailangan ko. Actually, kailangan ko pa ng brush, pero wag na, let's do this kamay. Because you know, we're Pinoy, we're Filipino, we use our hands in most of our jobs and shit, ganon. So, yun nga guys, so more or less, nasa below 500 lang lahat ng ginasguso. Oh, by the way, lahat ng ito sa Unicube ko lang ito nabili, sa Shopee meron, I'll link it down below. And then, itong tatlong to, meron na kayo nito in your local tindahan like Mercury or Watson's. Pero ito sa Watson's ko ito nabili, and then ito rin kasi meron sila. So, doon na lang ako bumili. And then ako first stop ko eh. And then ito naman, nahanap ko ito sa Mercury. So, I was like, yes, bitch. Yes, grab that shit. You know what? Let's start. So, we will take this plastic bowl. You can use brush or yung mga black plastic container. Pero, you know what? Fuck that shit. I'm gonna do it my way. So, let me just open this. Kailangan ko ng kutsara. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm back. I got a spoon. Okay, so are you excited? Because I'm excited. Let's start. Okay, let's open this. Ba't wala man lang akong working? Huwag ka matapon, sis. So, sabi isang buong ganito eh. So, like, yes, sister, let's work this. I'm gonna die! Para akong nasa zagu! So, this is the powder na. We're gonna mix, sabi nila 60 to 90 ml, pero I only have, depending on your hair daw. I'm like, okay. So, this is 60 ml. So, let's, yes, makapuno. Should we squeeze? Hindi ko alam kung may nagawa ko. May laman ba itong binili ko? Ay, meron. Wow! Tae. Yan, parang ketchup.
20 minutes later.
So this is all of the product, and we're just gonna mix it thoroughly, and we're just gonna have this like pasty shit. Di ko alam kung nung nangyari dito, pero we're just gonna mix this shit. Bless the heavens above, let the gay gods guide me, na magawa ko to ng tama. Wow, ang baho. Oh! So, if you haven't followed me on my social media accounts, or specifically Instagram, kasi doon ako lagi nagmamay-day, or Twitter din, yeah, you should go follow me there. So, I think it's mixed thoroughly. So, I have this na, and we are going to get our gloves, our surgical gloves, because this shit is hard, okay? Yes! Para akong magbibigay ng tule. Let's go, sister! Ako'y nasaktan! Okay, so we have this. I think enough na to. Depende. Kung nalightan niya na yung buhok ko up to the color that I need, to the level that I need, which is level 11, I'm gonna be good. So we will just apply this. Oh my god, I'm so scared to touch it. Whoa, this feels weird. Okay, so my hands are dried and my hair is burning. So we're gonna use that again later. So yan, sinabit ko muna siya dyan. And now, we're gonna put this aside. we're gonna wrap our head with a saran wrap. Because we need this to cook and shit. Okay, hindi ko alam kung paano. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. What am I doing with my line? So we're just gonna cook that. That's my hair, sis. Okay, so, it says here, bago ko ayusin yan, it says here na check every 10 minutes. Oh, so sabi dito, until desired hair is achieved. So, does that mean na pwede ko siyang iwanan hanggang kailan ko gusto? I'll be right back. And I think dumidilim na. So, I'll check you guys later and I hope this works.
20 minutes later.
So, what is up, guys? I'm back! Yes! As you can see, this is the first bleach. And sa una lang siya masakit. Okay? Sa una lang siya masakit. Surprisingly, hindi siya kagaya ng sa ano ko. Nagpa-bleach ako nun and sobrang happy talaga. And unlike this one, which is really nice, and mas gusto ko to, kasi hindi siya masakit, and it did the job. Although, I think it's kind of an orange pad, pero dito medyo yellow na. So, I'm just gonna blow dry it. Ayun, I'm just gonna repeat the process. Blow dry ko muna to, and then I'm gonna repeat the process. Lahat to para I think mag-yellow, and I'll try to leave it on as much as I can. Kasi nakakatamad maghintay.
20 minutes later.
So guys, ayan, hindi na makagalaw yung buong mukha ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko ginanto yung katawan ko. Ba't ko ginanto yung ulo ko? Hindi ko kasi makuha yung batok ko. Sige na nga, bahala na. Bumukha akong tanga for like 30 minutes. So, my ayaya just helped me with my hair. And ayun, so later, if I get back, I will rinse this. Oh my god, are you excited? Because I'm excited and I'm tired. I just want this. I just want this to be in my hair now.
20 minutes later.
So, it has been 20 minutes and oh my god, I'm so happy with the results. Like, oh my god, it's not orange anymore. It's yellow. It's yellow! It's a level 10, bitch. So, ayun, I'm really excited for the results. So, please stay in touch. You're gonna love the results.
11 minutes later.
So, guys, it's already 6:30 and I'm very sorry. Dapat talaga maaga ko to sinimulan. Pero, madami kasi yung ginawa kanina umaga. So, yan. So, this is not the hair color. This is now a level 10. Level 9 or 10, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the perfect canvas for me to play with. Yes! Okay, I'm so excited. So, I'm gonna blow dry this. And then, I'm gonna color the hair in na.
A few moments later.
Okay, so, bubuhos ko na dito sa yung conditioner. Ayan. Alam mo, ibubuhos ko na lang para talaga akong tanga. So, ayan. So, just put as many as yung sa tingin nyo kakayanin ng yung mauubos talaga ng buhok nyo. Kasi, pag nag-second batch ka pa, baka iba na yung kulay. Kaya, okay na yung ano. Ayan, mabango na siya. So, I'm really excited. At the same time, scared. Kasi, pag super pink talaga siya, papatayin ako ng tatay ko. Charot lang. Sadyang ayaw lang talaga niya akong magpakulay ng buhok. Kasi, Pilipino ako. I'm Asian. Oh my God! Pag napapanood ko yung mga hair color videos na ganito, sinasabi ng bango and ang bango nga. Okay, so I'm just gonna put drops. Drops lang muna kasi I want pastel pink. Okay. Okay, tama na yan, tama na yan, tama na yan. Okay, I think sobra na yan. I'm so we're gonna mix it with this baby spoon. So this is do you see the color? Do you see the color? Okay, so I think it's pink na. Although I think it's too light. Shit, ang sarap. Parang sarap niyang kainin. Ang bango. Seryoso, ang bango. So I'm adding more color. So this is pastel pink na, okay? This is pastel pink. As you can see from the color, this is pastel. But I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Because I don't know. I'm that kind of bitch. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And I think this is gonna work. I'm just adding little by little. Kaya talaga maliit lang muna yung binili ko kasi I just wanna try it out. So I think ito is slobber off ko na lang to sa buhok ko. Cause you know what? I'm that kind of messy bitch. So guys, I'm just gonna put this on my head. starting to regret I did this. Hindi ko wala. Natatakot na lang talaga ako. So, I'm taking a little bit of Arctic fog. Yeah, like legit. From the hands to the hair.
A few moments later.
So what is up guys? It's Scarlett here and yes, you are in now my vlog camera kasi full na yung phone ko. So now I am up in my bed waiting for this hair color to attach to my hair. So I'm really scared. Oh, by the way, my hands are dyed kasi butas nga yung gloves and ayun. Also, tinulungan rin ako ng yaya ko. Sabi ko, i-rub mo dun, i-ganun-ganun mo. So, inangat niya yung buhok ko, din nakita niya na hindi pala lahat ay nakulayan pa. So, sinigurado lang namin na meron na lahat. Natatakot ako! Oh my God. So, mamaya, pagbalik ko, siguro 1 hour ko to. 1 hour to 1 hour and 30 minutes ko to iiwan. Woo! Saya, diba? Saya!
Reality is... cannot be explained in words.
Kamukha ko na si Jimin! Yes! So guys, this is the final result. It's the next morning. Inabot ako ng gabi. Pero it's so pretty! Ganda! For 500 pesos, ang dami mo nang magagawa sa buhok. Siguro sa akin kasi 500 pesos lang kasi, maikli lang buhok ko. Pero more or less, 1.5 na siguro yung at most magagastos mo para lang makakuha ng vibrant hair color. Pagdating din sa CR, do not use anti-dandruff shampoo kasi nga tatanggalin yung kulay na to. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, semi-permanent lang to. Pero if you take care of it, it will stay. If you have more questions na hindi ko ata na dito kasi ang dami ko sinabi dito sa video na to. So if you have questions, just comment them down. Bakit may tao? Ano ba? So, ayun. This is the end of the video. I hope you like it. I hope the end result of the hair color. And bye! Isa lang kamay ko. Bye!